Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add photo crop challenge to your video in Capcut. For example, add a video as a clip here, and how to add photo crop challenge, just click effect and you can find that effect in frame, and here's photo crop challenge. Just drag here and you can adjust for a duration like this. So you can adjust for filters. That's it. So here we go. I'm going to mute clip audio. So actually you can find this effect in Instagram filters here. Okay, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click this button for fresh updates.